Alright, so this is a quick one. I am in the guest room right now. I just finished unclogging the sink, but this is something that I thought would be kind of important considering I've shown you guys how to unclog sinks before and things of that nature, but after you're done unclogging the sink, does it look something like this? Of course, the sink has already been used, of course, but obviously afterwards I've kind of made a little bit of a mess. So one thing that I always suggest to do is to make sure you go ahead and clean up after yourself anyway, even though the guest is returning, because it just makes it look nicer for the guest. Obviously it's not perfect, but to get the point across, and all I did was use a good old-fashioned blue shop towel, because now I can dispose of this, and the sink is cleaner than it was before, so then it looks good for the guest. Keep that in mind whenever you work on stuff like this, and keep it clean.